Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the Tutorial Info YouTube channel, and in today's video we would like to talk about hidden modes, all the hidden modes that the Samsung Galaxy A series smartphones provide you with, and how you can access them. So to start off, I would like to show how you can boot your device into the recovery mode, which is basically a mode that provides you with a lot of hidden functions. And not only they hidden, but they are very useful ones, which you will not be able to access just from the, system itself over here. To start off, make sure to connect your Samsung Galaxy A series device to the Type-C with the Type-C wire to the PC or laptop. Otherwise, the modes that we will show today will not be accessible whatsoever. So once you did that, power off your device by touch and holding at the side power key, and tapping on the power off option. Once the phone gets completely shut down, let me just wait for it a little. You gotta simultaneously hold side power key and volume up key in order for the system to boot into the recovery mode. So let me do just that. Already, let me try once again. Seems like a great success to me. Once the Samsung logo appears, you can just let your finger go. And as you can see, we have gotten booted into the Android recovery menu. So in here, apart from very regular functions such as reboot the system now, you can enter the fast boot mode, reboot the bootloader, which is basically another hidden mode that we wanted to discuss today. This hidden mode is used to write data directly to the flash memory of your device. Thus, you can change the firmware and do a lot of other very useful and practical things you would not be able to do otherwise. So I would assume that if you were looking on a tutorial on how to enter the fastboot mode, you'd probably know what it's capable of and you have some goal to achieve through it. So I will not waste too much time on it. So that's the second mode covered. You can also apply updates from ADB, from SD card, wipe data factory reset. That's how you bypass the screen lock if you have any, or simply hard reset your device. Then you can wipe the cache partition, mount the system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run locale test, power off, as I mentioned, a very regular thing to have, and repair the apps. So that will be pretty much it as far as the recovery mode goes. So let me just reboot the system into normal state now. By the way, as you could already noticed, in order to navigate this menu, I'm using the volume rocker. In order to confirm my choice, I gotta tap on the power button. So I'll just reboot my system back now into the system mode, not the bootloader, and show you the third, how you can access the third hidden mode, that is the download mode. And while we are entering the system, the download mode is the one of the hidden modes, obviously. While in it, the system will basically use the external sources instead of the stock bootloader. So it's basically just another way to install like new firmware, updates, custom recovery and ROM, and what's not. So let me quickly power off the device once again. In order to do that, you also gotta power it off. And by the way, I hope you've already understood that for all of these modes, apart from safe mode probably, all the modes that are shown today, you gotta have your Samsung plugged into the computer or laptop, wherever, through the Type-C cable. Not strictly Type-C, but since the charging port on this Type-C, I might as well say it. So in order to access the download mode, which I've just described what is capable of, just simultaneously hold volume up and volume down key, excuse me, not down key, down key. And as the deal is the same, wait until the Samsung logo appears, and then you can let your fingers go. For some reason it does not go through. That is fairly odd. Let me take another angle for it. So I'll just simultaneously hold volume up and volume down keys, and wait. That's an interesting thing to have, actually, because like I would swear on God that about 5, maybe 7 minutes ago I've been testing those things out and it did work just fine. So I wonder what this time, what is different this time, really. So simultaneously touch and hold at the volume rocker. Please put us into the download mode, please. Well, that's odd. That's really odd. Seems like I'm missing something. Everything seems to be okay. Okay, I will separately touch and hold on them. And nothing happens. Whoa. That's an interesting thing to have. Let me just... Already? Here it is, finally. Yep, it seems like the problem was with this little loading, well, charging icon that was getting in the way. So as you can see, we have entered the download mode over here. If you would like to proceed with it and, well, do whatever that you were intending to do, tap on the volume up key or press the volume up key. If you would like to get back, tap on the volume down key. If you would like to see the barcode, well, press the side power button. I'll just reset the phone and restart it, should I rather say, get things back to normal, and that would be it as per the download mode. And the final mode for this video is going to be the safe mode, so I'll tell you a bit more about it while we wait. So this is a mode that once activated boots into the system as normal, but with one big exception: it disables all the third-party applications. So it helps you to if you have any issues or problems with your system or phone in general, it helps you to identify whether those problems are or are not caused by like any apps you have installed. So it's a very cool mode to have, basically. Just diagnose some issues, resolve some problems. Why not? It is the simplest mode to boot into, in my opinion. Just touch and hold at the side power key, wait until the power off menu appears, then touch and hold at the power off option and tap on the safe mode. And now the system will reboot itself into the safe mode in a few moments, so let's wait. Alrighty, so the phone has been successfully restarted into the safe mode, as you can tell by this little logo over here. By default, it enables the airplane mode or the flight mode, but you can turn it off if you don't want to have it active, like so. And basically, once you have identified what was the reason that you had any problems or issues, or basically you've completed the task that you were looking to complete with or through the safe mode, you can just reboot the system and it will, well, get back to normal. Just touch and hold at the set power key, open up the power off menu and restart. Now once the system gets rebooted, we'll see that everything is back to the way it was. Alrighty, so as I've mentioned, everything has gotten back to normal, and basically that will be it, not only for the safe mode but for this video in general. Sorry for the small hold-ups we had with the download mode, but I figured that if I have any issues while trying to execute something, you guys will probably avoid those issues and will not repeat them after me, or in case you have them as well, you'll know for sure how to fix them. So it's a useful thing to have, a win-win situation, I guess. So once again, thanks for your attention, thanks for watching, and bye bye.